Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn how to use lassa and demonet, which correlates to because and because of in English. We'll begin with demonet. Now demonet can be used with nouns and verbs, but when it's used with nouns, it correlates to because of. So we can say 저는 선생님 때문에 할 일이 많아요. I have a lot of work because of my teacher. 저는 선생님 때문에 할 일이 많아요. So in this sentence, we use 때문에 after 선생님 to say because of my teacher. And my teacher is the reason why I have a lot of work. Now, lassa can also be used with nouns, but lassa contains the meaning of the be verb. So when we use lassa with nouns, it functions differently to 때문에. Here's an example sentence. 저는 선생님이라서 할 일이 많아요. I have a lot of work because I am a teacher. 저는 선생님이라서 할 일이 많아요. First, in terms of how we attach lassa to nouns, if nouns end in a 받침, like 선생님, which ends in a 미음 받침, then we add 이라서. However, if the noun doesn't end with a 받침, then we add lassa. And as mentioned before, because lassa already contains the meaning of the be verb, when we use lassa with nouns, we're not saying that I have a lot of work because of some teacher. We're saying that I have a lot of work because I am a teacher. So that's the key difference between when we use lassa and 때문에. Let's take a look at a few more example sentences. 민수는 아빠 때문에 시간이 없어요. 민수 doesn't have time because of his father. 민수는 아빠 때문에 시간이 없어요. 민수는 아빠라서 시간이 없어요. 민수 doesn't have time because he is a father. 민수는 아빠라서 시간이 없어요. 저는 사장님 때문에 일찍 출근해요. I go to work early because of my boss. 저는 사장님 때문에 일찍 출근해요. 저는 사장님이라서 일찍 출근해요. I go to work early because I am the boss. 저는 사장님이라서 일찍 출근해요. So each time when we use 때문에, we say that I do something because of someone, whereas when we use lassa, we're saying that I do something because I am that someone or something. So that's the key difference between lassa and 때문에. However, we can also use 때문에 like lassa by using 기 때문에 with verbs. Now, to say that some action or state is the reason for something, we can attach 기 때문에 to the verb stem and say that that action or state is the reason for something. So if we take this sentence from earlier, 저는 선생님 때문에 할 일이 많아요. I have a lot of work because of my teacher. So rather than saying I have a lot of work because of my teacher, if I want to say I have a lot of work because I am a teacher, then we add the be verb 이다 to the noun 선생님, and then change 때문에 to 기 때문에, and then add 기 때문에 to the verb stem 이. So we have 선생님이기 때문에. So the whole sentence becomes 저는 선생님이기 때문에 할 일이 많아요. I have a lot of work because I am a teacher. 저는 선생님이기 때문에 할 일이 많아요. And we can apply the same rule of using the be verb 이다 and 기 때문에 to all the sentences from earlier. And these sentences now have the same meaning as the sentences that use lassa. However, as well as using 기 때문에 with the verb 이다, which only describes a state, we can use 기 때문에 with a variety of verbs. Here are two more example sentences. 나 시험 공부하기 때문에 집에 있어야 해. I have to stay at home because I'm studying for exams. 나 시험 공부하기 때문에 집에 있어야 해. 나는 숙제가 많기 때문에 너 못 만나. I can't meet you because I have a lot of homework. 나 숙제가 많기 때문에 너 못 만나. So in each sentence, we combine the verb 공부하다, which means to study, and the adjective 많다, which means to have a lot, with 기 때문에 to provide a reason why I have to stay at home and why I can't meet the other person. Okay, so today we learned how to use lassa and 때문에, which can mean because and because of. And we looked at their key differences, but we also looked at how they can be used in a similar way. That's it for today, and I'll see you soon again. Bye-bye.